Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. I thought I'd just share an old video again with you all about making kalkals for Christmas. So as you know, kalkals are a Christmas treat that's made in every Anglo-Indian home. These are small, curly, fried pieces of dough. So it's very easy to make. Whatever you need, I'll let you know. 6 eggs for 1 kilo of flour, half cup of sugar, 3 cups of diluted coconut milk, and you mix to form a soft dough. Okay, then take small lumps of dough and roll into kalkals on the back of a fork. So you need to make quite a lot of them, and you'll have to take a couple of hours to roll. So take the help of all your family to roll out the kalkals. So now once you have sufficient kalkals that are rolled up, you can start frying. So you heat oil in a deep pan and fry the kalkals a little at a time. So once your kalkals are fried, you drain out the oil and let them cool. So you can see your lovely kalkals are ready. If you don't want to roll them behind the fork, you could also cut them into different shapes or use some cutters also to cut out. Then what you could do is sprinkle icing sugar on top, or you could frost them by making a syrup of sugar and dunking the kalkals into it. So this recipe is featured in 2 of my recipe books, and if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.